Hello, in this tutorial we will size a gas process using ABB's VA sizing tool. We start in the upper left-hand corner of the sheet with the first red box. We will then continue moving down until there are no more red boxes to complete. Our fluid type will be gas. A fluid name will be the type of gas that we are sizing for. In this case, we'll be sizing for air. The reference condition will be standard in this case. Pay attention, the gray box below here provides more information as to what reference condition should be selected. Our operating pressure can be given in many units, including absolute and gauge, and we will use 60 psi. The operating temperature can be given in Fahrenheit or Celsius, and we will use 90 degrees Fahrenheit. We will skip any gray boxes, and the maximum flow rate will be 150 SCFH. The S in SCFH stands for standard, which is the reference condition used up here. We'll use 150. Once these selections have been completed, we move to the top of the sheet to select our meter. Let's start with the 10A61. The 10A61 has three different scale lengths: a 3-inch scale, 5-inch scale, and 10-inch scale. The longer scale lengths provide a greater accuracy for the meter. The numbers in green are the result of a tube and flow combination that contains the full scale of the required maximum flow rate. These combinations are the best selections for 90% of your sizings. The red selections are also possible sizings, but do not include the full range requested. To see a detailed description of your sizing, click the sizing that you are interested in. A pop-up will then present itself. On the left-hand side, you will see the fluid specifications of the process that we have just entered. The meter details provide the range of the meter and the tube and flow combination that we'll be using. On the right-hand side, you'll see a visual indication of the float bobbing up and down where it is expected to be on the scale of the meter. Ideally, we'd like the float in the top third of the meter, and this provides a better accuracy while measurement. We have the option of printing this pop-up to a PDF or local physical printer. You can also click this configuration preview button, and this will generate a preview of what the 10A61 model code will look like within ABB's quotation and configuration tool. We can scroll down and see the tube and flow combination to be C and 12. We can also click this second tab. The second tab will give you the exact units and numbers to use when entering the 10A61 in ABB's order entry tool. We can close out of these. And let's move to the 10A4. The 10A4 has a column for standard floats and low pressure drop floats. We also have an additional column for alarm floats. If we select this first alarm float, we will see the float is bobbing up and down on the lower third of the meter. Because of this, the meter will have reduced accuracy and is actually not ideal for the required flow rate. We can move to the 10A22. 10A22 has a column for standard floats and alarm floats. And lastly, the 10A32. The 10A32 has one single column for its standard floats. This concludes the tutorial for gas sizing. Thank you for your time and have a great day.